If you're a fan of Proton vehicles, Proton has recently announced the Proton X70 Special Edition here in Malaysia, and there are only 2,000 units available. Astro, on the other hand, has officially announced their Astro plug-and-play box. This is their satellite dishless Astro box, which lets users install it themselves and stream content using just an internet connection. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. Proton has officially unveiled their Proton X70 Special Edition yesterday with only 2,000 units available here in Malaysia. If you're expecting something radical like a facelift model with performance upgrades, you might be disappointed. Despite its teaser of having enhanced features and a brand new look, the X70 SE is just a minor refresh with some cosmetic changes. The Proton X70 SE is based on the current X70 Premium 2WD model, which is locally assembled here in Tanjung Malim. It runs on the same 1.8-litre turbo petrol engine that's paired with a 7-speed DCT gearbox. It also has 181 horsepower and 300 Nm of torque. On the exterior, the X70 SE gets a blacked-out rear spoiler, roof and side door mirrors. Another major difference is the new 19-inch sport rim design, and you will also get an SE badge on the tag. Another major difference is the new 19-inch sport rim design, and you also get an SE badge on the tailgate. The Proton X70 SE retails for 123,000 with the current SST exemption that's running until the 31st of December 2021. That's 4,000 ringgit more than the current X70 Premium 2WD, which now retails for 119,800 ringgit. Huawei Malaysia has announced that there will be a new tablet coming into Malaysia very soon, and it is called the Huawei MatePad 11. This device will be running on a Snapdragon 865 processor that comes with 6GB of RAM and up to 256GB of storage. And if you're interested in this tablet will actually be officially launched on the 27th of July 2021. And since this is a Huawei tablet, it doesn't come with GMS. Instead, it will come with Huawei's very own Harmony OS 2 and also Huawei's App Gallery. Besides that, this device will also feature a 10.95-inch display with 120Hz refresh rate, a quad speaker system that's tuned by Harman Kardon, and also a 7250 mAh battery with 22.5W quick charge support via USB-C. Unfortunately, we don't have the local pricing and availability just yet. But in China, this device is going for 2,499 renminbi, which is about 1,600 ringgit here in Malaysia. Astro has officially launched their Ultra plug-and-play box. And this is also known as their satellite dishless Astro box. This lets users to install it themselves and stream content using just an internet connection. It comes with instructions for the user to install by themselves, and also has an instructional video that users can access via a QR code on the packaging. Using the Ultra plug-and-play box also means that there won't be any need to have someone to come in to install and wire up a satellite dish into your living room. Another benefit of using Astro plug-and-play box is that there won't be any disruption once it starts raining. Astro's Ultra plug-and-play box will still have the Astro SIM card needed to use the service, and if you sign up for it, they will deliver it to your house. While waiting for it to be delivered though, you will be able to access Astro Go via the app or web browser anyway. If you're used to ShopeePay e-wallet, here's some good news for you. Drivers and motorists are now able to use their ShopeePay e-wallet to pay for things when you go to Shell petrol station. Drivers and motorists can now use ShopeePay e-wallet to pay for their fuel and also purchase things from the Shell station. This partnership between Shell and ShopeePay allows Malaysians to stay safer as they transact via contactless payment methods. ShopeePay's head said that there has been an increase in adoption of the ShopeePay e-wallet, which delivers a convenient, secure and rewarding payment experience online as well as offline. Not only that, ShopeePay users can also locate and select the best deals within their locality on the Shopee app thanks to a new Deals Near Me feature. Users can perform contactless payments to enjoy various deals on food, retail, health, services and more. Alright, so before I end today's video, I have something important to announce to you guys, because remember Monday I mentioned that we are actually giving away 3 sunset lamps. So right, today is the last day for you guys to join the contest, so the link of our social media platforms are down in the description box below, so check them out. And all the best guys! Alright, so thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like our video if you liked it, and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and also click on the notification bell icon so you won't miss any of our future videos. So alright, I'll see you next time. Bye! Happy Fridays!